Introducing the next chapter in our story of living progress. Our vision of progressive luxury in the future. Not only a car, but your experience device. Starting a new era of meaningful and fascinating experiences. This is freedom in motion. High class, fully electric, human-centric.
Jessica Walsh has an exclusive event near to your current location. Would you like to schedule a visit? All right. Your visit is confirmed for this evening.
Delivering more than just an interior. It's a personal experience sphere that inspires and offers the freedom to choose between a first-class lounge on wheels and fully automated drive and an exciting sports driving experience. For all the senses, through impactful design, intelligent performance, and latest technology. Powered by a holistic digital ecosystem. The new essence of high-class mobility. Emotional, intuitive, personal.
Your experience is ready to share.
Shaping the future. The Audi skysphere concept.